Dirty glassware is like dirty underwear. It still works, but it's not ideal. When you drink from a dirty glass, you're also drinking what was in your glass before your beer. Maybe you're not fazed by the dirty underwear analogy because it's your own glass, and like personal hygiene, you know where it's been. But what if it was someone else's underwear? Cleanliness is essential to proper head formation and retention, carbonation and foam. Protein, yeast, and hop compounds hitch a ride to the surface on bubbles, producing aroma. What you're smelling are those hydrophobic compounds making like an introvert at a social function. While the relationship and definition of smell and taste are up for debate among people with expensive degrees, what you and I call them are seemingly intertwined. You can experience this yourself by plugging your nose as you drink, or hanging out in a crowd of coughing people and waiting a few days. It's not just about big bubbles. Carbonation is like personality. It imparts unique character to each beer, and the experience isn't the same when it's missing. It can make a beer feel firm and round, bouncy. Foam can tell you a lot at a glance. If the temperature of the beer is too cold, there's little or no head, like some marriages. Too warm, and it's overabundant. The same goes for how it's poured. Too vigorous means too much. Too gentle means it doesn't have a chance to build. My personal, and perhaps slightly controversial take, is that a clean glass is more important than the right glass. Because this guy will work for most beers. Whichever you choose, I'm going to show you how to clean it. Now you can post those beautifully clean glasses on Untappd and not worry about being silently judged.